What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Guess what, guys? 2 uploads in 2 days. What? Okay, guys, so in today's video, actually, before we get started, I'm just gonna let you guys know that we have finished our 3-month hair growth challenge, FYI, which a review and my ending results will be posted very soon. Back to this video, guys. Today I actually use a new product, which I was very, very surprised about on the results. I was like, girl, had me shook. So this product is the Aussie Moist Headstrong Volume something gel. There you go, right there. Headstrong Volume Gel. And let me tell you, I was so surprised about the amount of definition that I received from this product. I'm not even gonna lie, I do truly love my Meow products. They work very good, gives me great definition, and they smell great. However, on the other hand, Aussie, I think Aussie beat Meow this time around, because the definition that I received, like, as soon as I put it in, I was very shocked by, which you guys will see once again. So yes, I would definitely give this product a 10 out of 10 because this is the most I've ever seen my natural hair defined. And I did tell you guys in my previous video that it's very hard for me to define the roots of my hair as well as the top layer of my hair for some reason. It's very hard. So, everything was pretty much defined. The back was defined. The roots was even defined, which I was very shocked by. But overall, like I said, I do give this product a 10 out of 10 because I feel like now I found a way to combat that frizz I actually receive when I use other products. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much all for this video. If you guys like it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.